Top video editing platforms for beginners. First, who I am. I am a YouTuber with over to 5K subscribers in just 2 months. I have phoned over for channels, so I have experience. So if you are trying to become a YouTuber and are trying to find some editing platforms, you are on the right video. So let's move on to your video editor. The best video editor out there is CapCut. Yes, you heard CapCut. So why I'm saying CapCut? First, it's beginner friendly and I learned it editing on IT. Second, it's free. Third, it's so easy to use. Other editors like or any advanced editors are expensive. Let me tell you the price of IT: $9.99 a month or $99.99, or there is a free version too, but it's complicated, so I would recommend you CapCut. If you want free auto captions, I have an app you would love. We make AI simple one-click auto captions. Let's move on to thumbnail editor. So you might have listened about Adobe Photoshop, it's just complicated. So I would recommend you Canva. Yes, Canva. The thumbnails you are seeing on the screen are made by me and from Canva. Canva is absolutely amazing. So I learned Canva in just 5 minutes when I was 8 or 7. IT is so easy to use. You can also get thumbnails auto-made. IT can also make thumbnails like decoding YT. So if you find this helpful, please subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Peace.